Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Falmouth and this video is showing the devastation after the hurricane, and then we're going to show you what this area looked like before the hurricane. Now it was announced recently that the Black River Hospital is not going to be rebuilt at the location it currently is. This hospital was built on the coast hundreds of years ago. Well, as Black River is an old town, and it was built on the coast. It was actually built right beside the sea. And when Hurricane Melissa hit, it destroyed the hospital. They currently have a temporary field hospital set up in Black River. And the Prime Minister announced that they cannot rebuild, or they're not going to rebuild the hospital beside the sea. I'm just going to go through a section of what he said. Resilience is no longer optional. We have to be thinking in resilience. So we are going to reconstruct the areas that were damaged. We're going to do it with forward thinking. We are going to seek to include new businesses and new infrastructure, including new towns, new roads, new schools, new hospitals, he pointed out. We have to build them with the next hurricane, the next shock in mind. So we're not going to rebuild a hospital that is right next to the sea. If you think about it, Falmouth Hospital is right on the sea. Black River Hospital is right on the sea. We're not going to do that anymore. We're going to move them inland, he said. So that is an excellent idea. Now, in all fairness, when these towns were built, everything was transported via the sea. That's why Jamaica has so many coastal towns. As we said, they were built centuries ago. And that's why these towns kept growing, but they kept growing by the coast. That's why these hospitals are by the coast. But now with the threats that hurricanes pose to Jamaica and the strength of Hurricane Melissa, it has now become urgent or necessary to build critical infrastructure such as a hospital further inland. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the reconstruction process that the government has planned. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says that in a few days he will make an announcement regarding the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, which is being established to lead, coordinate, and fast-track the national rebuilding effort. Dr. Holness said the NARRA will be mandated to coordinate post-disaster reconstruction and long-term resilience building. This will be a center of excellence, a single point of coordination, a platform for public-private partnerships, he pointed out. All right, so that is the latest on the hospitals. Now, the major hospitals like UWI, which is the largest hospital in Jamaica, or one of, I'm not sure if it's it's one of, it's built inland. KPH is in downtown Kingston, but it's not on the coast, it's further inland. Cornwall Regional is built literally on top of a hill, so that has you don't have to worry about flooding there. So it's basically the Discovery Bay or the St. Anne's Bay Hospital is not built on the sea, but it's built a little inland. So the two hospitals, well, the main hospital that would be affected and has been affected is the Black River Hospital. That one is literally on the sea. If you step out of the back of the hospital, you're in the sea. Falmouth Hospital is built on the sea as well, but it's built a little further inland, but it's literally on the sea as well. So those are the two that are in the most danger. I'm not sure what the damage to the Falmouth Hospital is. We haven't visited that hospital since the hurricane, but based on the damage that Falmouth received, it probably received some damage. But the Black River Hospital is totally destroyed. The Savlamar Hospital is also severely damaged, but that hospital is further inland, so it didn't suffer the storm surge like the Black River Hospital. And as soon as they identify the new site for the Black River Hospital, we will give you guys a tour and we'll keep you guys updated on this. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.